Hi dear students, in the last class we discussed about the problem solving technique. You know in that how to solve the problem through computer. There are two tools we have to using into solve problems by using flowcharts and algorithm. You know there are two tools we have to use it. Okay, then these tools, see, these are used for to solving the problem. Okay, through these tools we have to know what are the inputs for this problem, what are the formulas you have to apply for this problem. Got it? Okay, last class we discussed about the how to solve the problems by using algorithm and flowchart. Okay, today we solve another one problem. See, that problem is draw a flowchart to find the reverse of a given number. Okay, find the reverse of a given number. How to find this? How to find the reverse of a given number? If for example when I go ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಗಿವನ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ 1 2 3. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ 1 2 3? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್? 1 2 3 ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? 3 2 ನನಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 2 1 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Got it? Like this. Okay, for example if you given 5 1, then what is the reverse of this number? 1 5. Okay, like this. Okay, for example I given 1 2. What is the reverse of this number? 2 1. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ನನಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Okay, then what are the formulas you have to apply? What are the inputs? Okay, or what are the output you are getting? Okay, you have to write this is asking for 5 marks. Okay, see, draw a flowchart to find the reverse of a given number. Reverse of a given number. See how to solve this problem. See, first for this problem we want one number. One number ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. See, it start with start. See, I'm writing here. Over, take over, start. Then input. For input purpose you have to use a rows. Input. See. Input n. Okay, take input n. Then the next see what are the then take reverse. Reverse is still I am not getting the reverse of a number. Reverse equal to 0. REV, otherwise you can take a just I am taking REV equal to 0. Still I am not getting. That's why you have to take 0. Still I am not getting that the output. Okay, that's why you have to take a reverse equal to 0. Okay, then now you have to apply some formula. 3 formulas you have to remember for this problem. Okay, what are the formulas you have to remember? See, these formulas you can remember for this purpose. The first formula is you have to remember this formula. First digit equal to n mod 10. This is a very important formula. Then the next formula is reverse. Now the reverse formula is equal to reverse star 10 plus digit. 10 plus digit. Then the last formula is n equal to n by 10. N equal to n by 10. These 3 formulas you have to remember. Then you are getting easily you are getting the reverse of a given number. Then the condition is n is not equal to 0 if it is true. If it is true, it will while loop. I am using while loop. It will repeat it again and again. If it is false, then you are getting result. The output you are getting output is reverse. Then stop. Then you are getting a stop. Okay, this is the output reverse. Then stop. Okay, see, this is what this is about. This is the algorithm. This is a flow chart asked for 5 marks. 5 marks ಗೆ ಈಗ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So many times examination ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ draw a flow chart to find the reverse of a given number. Okay, then how to solve this? Okay, for example I am taking a 1 2 ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೆಸರು 1 2. ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ 2 1 ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 2 ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು 2 1 2 1 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ mod? Put the values digit equal to n. N means how much I am taking 12 mod 10. Answer is 2. Then what is the use of this mod? Mod nothing but it gives a remainder. This is the one operator which is used in computer science. This gives the remainder. Remainder kodutte. It is not a percentage operator. It is not a percentage operator. See, it is use a remainder. For example, 12 mod 10. 12 mod 10 nodri ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 10 no remainder kodutte. Remainder ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? See, 10 ones are 10. Remainder ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? This is okay. Always this operator gives a remainder. Remainder kodutte. Then its answer is 2. Then next formula is reverse equal to reverse. Reverse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Reverse means 0 star 10 plus digit ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? Answer 2. And what is the answer? You are getting 0 star 10 means 0 plus 2. Then n equal to n means how much? Number 12 10 by 12. How to divide this? 12 by 10 answer is nodri answer is 1. Answer is 1. Then next time ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು n ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ n 12 ಇತ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ n ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 1 ಆಯಿತು. 1 is not equal to 0. true or false? True means ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು then next time digit equal to n means 1 mod 10. 1 mod 10 ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. then write this one only 1 ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2 mod 10 2, 3 mod 10 3. okay, then for example 12 mod 10 2. you cannot divide. okay, that's why 3 mod 10 3 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. that's why 1 mod 10 is 1. the next time reverse equal to reverse ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? next time 2 star 10 plus digit ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ. then what is the answer? 2 star 10 20 plus 1 21. then n equal to n ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? next time 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means what? 1 by 10 means 0 point something. that's why you take 0 ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 point something means take 0 ಮತ್ತೆ n is not equal to n means n 0 is not equal to 0. false means you are getting reverse. last ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 21 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ n ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 12 ಇತ್ತು. ಅದರ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 21 ಆಯಿತು. ಇದರ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 21. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ 21 ಆಯಿತು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದಿಸ್. you have to remember this formula. draw a flow chart to find the reverse of a given number. you have to know these what are the formulas you have to apply when you are if you want to getting this result. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಮೂರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು n mod 10. mod means nothing but it gives a remainder. okay, but divide it gives a division. This is a division operator. This is a okay, this is what is a remainder. okay, it gives a remainder. This is also called module operator ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ module operator. okay, module operator ಅಂತಾರೆ or remainder operator. it gives a remainder. okay, remainder ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. this is equal to n mod 10. reverse equal to reverse. star means into multiple 10 plus digit, then n equal to n by 10. okay, this is the formulas you have to apply. okay, this is what is about a reverse of a given number. okay, these you have to practice it. 5 marks questions ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. okay, that see these are the symbols you have to remember. you ಮೂರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 3 marks, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಗೆ 1 marks, ದೆನ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಗೆ 1 marks ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ smallest, largest and second largest of three numbers. Okay, this is also one problem. For computer, if you given three numbers, it gives result largest, smallest and second largest of three numbers. For example, this is what I am writing here: 8, 7, then 5. Which is the largest number in this? 8 is the largest. Then 7, then 5 is the smallest. Then second largest ಯಾವುದು? 7 is the second largest ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. Okay, like this you have to solve the problem. For example, if you given 5, 3, 2. Okay, for example, you given 2, 3, which is the largest? 5. Then smallest is 2. Then second largest is 3. Okay, like this. Okay, if you are getting result. Okay, what are the formulas you have to apply? How to draw the flow chart? Okay, ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Then how to solve this problem through flow chart? How to solve this problem through flow chart? First of all, you want three numbers means take A, B, C. Okay, three values na ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, see, start the problem. Now I am taking here, see, start, then take input A, B and C. Take three inputs A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. Then next you have to, still I am not getting largest number. Assume that largest is A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Our largest number is A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. Then you have to compare this A with B, A with C. you have to compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ A ಜೊತೆ B ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, A ಜೊತೆ C ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. See how to, then A means A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿದೆ? L ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, largest. Just you have to assume that largest A ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆ C, L ಜೊತೆ B ನ, L ಜೊತೆ C ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. L ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಎದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ? A ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ L ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Okay, so you have to compare now. For comparison purpose, take decision. See, this is numbers. If B is greater than L, B ಏನಾದರೂ greater than L ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, then what are the output you are getting? See, your output, if it is true, then you are getting, if it is true, largest ಆಗುತ್ತೆ B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, if it is false, it goes to another. See, false ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ C ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡು, C ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ C largest ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, C ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. largest is C. Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ see what you have to remember here. First L equal to A ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. See, L ನ ಜೊತೆ B ಮತ್ತೆ C ನ L ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. B ಮತ್ತೆ C ನ L ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. See, ಇನ್ನು L ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. L means nothing but A. Got it? Then you have to B. If B is greater than L, ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ? This is greater than operator. ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? Then largest is B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. L equal to B. Got it? Then C equal to L equal to C. Okay, this is logic you have to remember. You have to practice this logic. Okay, then the next one is take. This is for largest. The next second largest, then smallest. For smallest purpose, just you have to assume that S equal to A. Just you have to assume that S equal to A. S equal to A. Then you have to compare A with, if A is less than S, then if A is less than S, then what is the smallest? Sorry, A is the B ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡು, B, S equal to B. Same like that. The next I am taking here. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. The next, then B ಆಯಿತು, then C ಜೊತೆ S ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, then you are getting the answer is ಯಾವುದು smallest ಇದೆ, C is the smallest. C is the smallest. Okay, then if you want second largest become andre second SL equal to, is the formula we have A plus B plus C minus L plus S. Then you are getting output में बढ़ते L smallest, then second largest, then stop. And how to trace this algorithm? See, henge trace ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? First take one, like for example I am taking here 3 2 1. Which is the largest in this? 3 is the largest, 2 is the second largest, 1 is the smallest. ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ 2 3 2 1. Okay, put 3 2 1. Now L equal to ಎಷ್ಟು? A means 3. This is A, this is B, this is a C. Okay, now L equal to 3 ಆಯಿತು. Next B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ. 2 is greater than L ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3. 2 is greater than 3. False ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. False means ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. Then C ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. 1 is greater than 3. 3 means L means how much? 3. 1 is greater than 3. No means then the largest ಯಾವ್ದಾಯ್ತು? 3. Okay, now the largest would be 3. Okay, then next S equal to A, just comparison. S equal to A. S equal to A means A means how much? 3. Then B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 2. 2 is less than S ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3. 2 is less than 3. Yes means S equal to ಎಷ್ಟು? next time 2 ಆಯಿತು. 3 ಇದ್ದು ಹೋಗಿ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. next time C means 1 is less than S ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. 2 1 is less than 2. Yes means S equal to next time 1 ಆಯಿತು. then now A plus B plus C ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3 plus C, 3 plus 2 plus 1. SL equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 minus L ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? L means largest ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 3 ಬಂದಿದೆ. plus then smallest ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ. then 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 minus 4. How much? 2 ಬರಬೇಕು. second largest will be 2. second largest 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, largest 3. okay, then smallest is 1. okay, this is you have to remember. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, in examination ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ flight a flow chart for a largest of 3 numbers ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you have to ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ you have to cut it. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. smallest of 3 numbers ಕೇಳಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you have to write this flow chart. okay, you have to write this flow chart. practice this flow chart. okay, first you have to compare your A with B and C. your A with B and C. then here for smallest also you have to compare your A with B and C. okay, this is the formula for to find the second largest of 3 number. second largest equal, this is the formula you have to remember. okay, this is what this is about, how to find the flow chart for a largest, smallest and second largest. This completes this chapter. okay, this is problem solving technique. it's a very important chapter. okay, ಇದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. how to give on the problem to the computer, how to solve the problem through computer. you have to remember these logics. okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. okay, the next class we discuss about the next chapter. okay, this is what this is you have to write questions and answers. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. okay, the next almost the next Sunday you have a test on software concept. ಓಕೆ. ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ 30 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ ಟೆಸ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ದಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.